welcome to the Zeus online learning classes. In solutions, the quantity which is in large number, in solution the quantity which is in large number, it is called solvent, and the quantity which is in lower or which is in less number compared to the solvent, it will be solute. So we can say solute is made up of, that is solution is made up of solute and solvent. Solvent is in excess quantity and solute will be in lower quantity compared to the solvent. Okay, so while comparing to the solvent, solute quantity will be lesser. So you can say solute plus solvent makes solutions. What do you mean by that nature of solvent? I mean here is that nature of solvent means whether it is exist in solid state, whether it is exist in gaseous state, or whether it is existing in liquid state. If the solvent exists in gaseous state, then it is called gaseous solution. If the solvent exists in liquid state, then it is called liquid solution. If the solvent exists in solid state, then it is called solid solution. So based on the nature of solvent, we can say it is gaseous solution or liquid solution or solid solution. So one thing you have to remember, solute can be solid, liquid or gas, anything it can. So if you consider gaseous solution, we can have three types. What are they? Solid in gas, that is solid as a solute, and gas as a solvent. You can look at the table. In the table you can see from the gaseous solution we have three types. From the liquid solution we have three types. From the solid solution also we are having three types. So as such, 9 such solution can be made. 9 solution means 3 belongs to gaseous solution, 3 belongs to liquid solution, and 3 belongs to solid solution. So in gaseous solution, solvent will be gas. So in gaseous solution, solute can be solid, liquid or gas. Similarly, in liquid solution, solvent will be liquid and the solute will be solid, liquid or gas. Similar thing is applicable to solid solution also. So I will discuss one or two examples in liquid solution. So if you are adding salt to a water, if you are adding salt to a water, and I am saying that water quantity is in excess number, and I am saying water quantity is in excess number. So water is your solvent. Water is your solvent and the salt is a solid, or you are adding to it. That means it is a solute. The water is in excess quantity, it is called solvent, and the solute we are adding it is the salt we are adding is in smaller quantity, so it is called solute. So it is an example of solute, that is salt is a solid and water is a liquid. So it is an example of liquid solution, that is solid in liquid, that is liquid solution. Solid in liquid. Solid is our solute, liquid is our solvent. So you have to remember one thing is that one which is in excess quantity is your solvent, or you can define in another way also, that is solute and solvent concept, that is the one which is added, is called solute, and in which we are adding is called solvent. The one which we are adding is called solute, the one in which we are adding is called solvent. Okay, so salt in water, water is your solvent and salt is your solute.